Lumex Patriot LX Homecare Bed. Proudly made in the USA. The Patriot LX is the only home care and hospice bed with a solid steel grid deck sleep surface that is built to last. With its design, the bed can support 450-pound patient and accessory weight and provides superior mattress support to prevent sagging as compared to a traditional spring deck. The grid deck provides an easy-to-clean surface and durable paint with silver solutions and antimicrobial built into the paint. An exclusive patent-pending integrated high-low rod permanently installed on the bed facilitates the adjustment of the overall bed height. The base or legs of the bed, in conjunction with the integrated high-low rod, allow for smooth movement and adjustment from a low 10 to 20 inches high for both the semi and full electric. For patient safety to avoid movement of the bed has stationary legs to keep it in place. However, optional casters can be purchased separately and installed for bed movement when needed. With its single motor design, the head and foot section of the sleep surface can be articulated for patient comfort and positioning. The semi-electric uses one motor with a crank for the overall bed height adjustment, while the full electric has one motor for the head-foot articulation and dual high-low motors for bed height adjustment. Attractive thermo-fused bed ends with T-molded edging give the bed a more appealing and less institutional look. These home-style bed ends easily attach to the bed frame and are secured with a locking pin. And with all the features, the Patriot LX comes in as one of the highest quality home care beds and weighing only a lightweight 118 pounds, 126 pounds for the full electric. Bed rails can be installed using our patent-pending rail slots to ensure proper installation. Our Liberty rails that are FDA compliant to minimize bed entrapment can be used and are available in full, half, and quarter-length sizes. A bed mount trapeze can be used with the Patriot LX by securely attaching it to the post on the back of the headboard. This will assist a user in moving and repositioning in the bed. Casters, while not needed in the home, can also be purchased separately to use for transport. The Patriot LX has an 80-inch length deck, but with an extension kit can transform to an 84 or an 88-inch length. Gramfield also carries a complete line of mattresses and bed accessories to complement the Patriot LX, such as trapeze, overbed tables, patient lifts, fall pads, and patient alarms that together provide the best quality and comfort for all your home care and hospice needs. The Patriot LX is a complete bed system, built proudly in the USA and built to last.